Which is not described in the text as an improvement in castle defenses? A. Towers attached to the main castle by wooden bridges. B. Deep ditches dug around the castle walls and filled with water. C. Multiple castle walls providing layers of defenses. Or D. Windows and entrances raised off of the ground floor. In order to answer this question, we need information from the 4th and 5th paragraphs, which I have posted here. In these paragraphs, we see the improvements in castle defenses being discussed. Because our question is asking which is not described in the text as an improvement in castle defenses, if we go through our choices and find backing in the text for them, we can know it is not the right answer. A. Towers attached to the main castle by wooden bridges. We find this in the 5th paragraph, which tells us that towers were built from which defenders could provide flanking fire. These towers were connected to the castle by wooden bridges. Because this can be backed up in the text, we can mark it as incorrect. B. Deep ditches dug around the castle walls and filled with water. Looking through the text, we can see that there is no mention made of ditches dug around the castle walls and filled with water. Because there is nothing in the text backing this up, this is very likely our final answer. If we would like to be cautious, we can go on and check out the other choices. C. Multiple castle walls providing layers of defenses. This too we see in the 5th paragraph when it tells us that multiple rings of castle walls were constructed so that even if attackers made it past one wall, they would be caught on the killing ground between inner and outer walls. Again, because this can be backed up in the text, we can mark it as incorrect. D. Windows and entrances raised off of the ground floor. This we see in the 4th paragraph, which tells us that attackers could hurl flaming objects into the castle through the windows or ignite the wooden doors. This led to moving the windows and entrances off of the ground floor and up to the 1st floor to make them more difficult to access. Because this can be backed up in the text, it can be marked as incorrect, and we are left with our original answer, B. Deep ditches dug around the castle walls and filled with water.